Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up dark mode in Metatrader 5. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Metatrader 5 application on your computer. Once the application launches and you can see your main trading dashboard, direct your attention to the top menu bar where you'll find several options for customizing your workspace. At the top of the screen, locate and click on the View option. This menu contains various settings that control how your Metatrader 5 interface looks and feels. Clicking on View will reveal a drop-down menu with multiple display and layout options that you can adjust to match your preferences. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option labeled Color Theme and click on it. This is where Metatrader 5 allows you to switch between different visual themes for the entire platform. The color theme setting affects everything from your charts to the background of your trading panels, so choosing the right one can significantly improve your overall trading experience, especially during long trading sessions. Once you click on color theme, you'll see a list of available themes. Go ahead and click on dark. This will immediately apply the dark theme to your entire Metatrader 5 interface, switching all the bright backgrounds to darker tones that are easier on the eyes. The dark mode is particularly helpful if you trade during evening hours or in low-light environments, as it reduces eye strain and creates a more comfortable viewing experience. And that's it. You've successfully enabled dark mode in Metatrader 5, giving your trading platform a sleek, modern look that's easier on your eyes. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.